Assalamualaikum, dear student of class 7. I hope that you are all fine, and I am also fine, and welcome to my period. Today our topic is sentence and its kinds. First, we have already learned sentence and its kind, but now once again I will teach you. I will learn you sentence and the kinds of sentence. Okay, so first sentence. Okay, in Sindhi we say jumlo. In Sindhi we say jumlo. So sentence, a group of words that which makes complete sense. A group of words which makes a complete sense. Very simple. First we write definition. Okay, what is sentence? A group of words which makes a complete sense, that is called sentence. Okay, a group of words which makes a complete sense is called sentence. Means beta, suppose for example as that now first a table is made. This is a complete sentence. Yes or no? Tell me. No beta. Very good. Why? Because it gives not complete sense or meaning. Now a table is made of wood. Okay, a table is made of wood. Table putra kaathe thelai. Do you know? Now kinds of sentence. Sentences are of 4 kinds. Sentences are of 4 kinds. Do you know beta? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. First assertive sentence means bayani jumlo. Okay, and a second, which beta? Interrogate. Means sawali. Okay, now number 3rd, imperative. Hukmi या amri jumla. Okay, now last 4, means शदीद एहसास ज़ाहिर. Okay. Now these are 4 kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamative sentence. So now first I think, why are you looking here and there, beta? I am here. So now first I will assertive sentence. First beta, assertive sentence. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion. A sentence that makes a statement means bayan or assertion. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion, that is called assertive sentence. Okay. Suppose they may be, point beta, noted, they may be affirmative, means positive, or negative. Means as that, yeah, for example, she is a girl. This sentence positive. Okay. Now other, she is not a pretty girl. Negative beta. Okay. So assertive sentence may be divided into two: affirmative and negative. So now look at these examples. She is a pretty girl. This is a assertion statement. She is a pretty girl. Now she is not a pretty girl. ना वो खूबसूरत छोकरी ना है. So negative, not negative. So this we call the sentence negative sentence. Okay, now beta means assertive sentence, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion, that is called assertive sentence. They may be have two: affirmative, positive or negative. Positive or negative. Now interrogative. Okay. Now beta, negative, interrogative. Second, okay. A sentence that ask question, that is called example. Example, what's your name? How do you do? Where do you live? Many more questions, many more questions. Where can we get this book? Now other, where do you live? Okay, now number third. Imperative sentence. Now number third, imperative sentence. These kinds of sentence, commands. This sentence advocates command and suggestion. Okay beta, first you listen. Interrogative, a sentence that asks questions. Now these sentences of request, command or suggestion called imperative sentence. Okay, now these sentences of requests, commands or suggestion. पुट हिन क़िस्म जे जुमलनि में असां या त अर्ज़ कंदाऊं, ॿियो हुकुम ॾींदाऊं, टियों या एडवाइस ॾींदाऊं. ओके, सो नाउ एग्जांपल्स. Okay, can I erase this side? Yes. Okay, very good. Now example. Lend me your pen. Command पे request. Request. Okay. Number second. Get ready to fire. Command. Now oh, what a beautiful dress. Suggestion. Okay. Oh, sorry. Right, beta? Am I right or wrong? this sentence is wrong. This is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, now suppose let us go out for a picnic. Okay, now last fourth kind. Last four. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. These kinds of sentences. What, beta? These kinds of sentences, do you know? Yes or no, beta? These kinds of sentences express surprise, anger, joy, etc. Okay, as that. Example beta, do you know? Yes or no? No. Okay. Now, जैसे as that. Oh, what a beautiful dress. Okay. Ya oh, ya Allah's, my pen is broken. Now beta, sentence and its kinds. I will tell you orally. Sentence, a group of words that makes complete sense. I am a girl. अगर मान लिखा I am, I write I am. This is sentence. No, not a sentence because it gives not completed meaning. So group of words that gives complete meaning, that is called sentence. Four kinds of sentence, main four: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory sentence. Assertive sentence, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion. I am a girl, I am a teacher, you are a boy, you are a brave boy. These are assertive sentence. Now, assertive sentence may be positive and negative. As she is a pretty girl, she is not a pretty girl. Okay. And interrogative sentence, this kind of sentence ask questions. What is your name? Where do you live? How do you do? Many more examples. Now, imperative sentence, these kinds of sentence, rockets, commands and suggestion. जैसे as lend me your pen, please. Rockets, please give me a pen, please give me some water, etc. Rocket, command, get ready to fire, get ready to competition. Many more examples. Suggestion, let us go out for a picnic. Suggestion. Now, last exclamatory sentence means this kind of sentence express surprise, anger, joy, sorrow, sudden emotions, beta. Okay, so now, oh, what a beautiful dress. alas, my pen is broken. It is many more examples. So now today our task, our topic is sentence in disguise. I have finished. Tomorrow I will see you again, meet you again, new topic, new lesson. So thank you for so much.